Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to do a recipe we've been trying to get around to do for quite some time now for y'all. It's called an old-fashioned egg custard pie. And I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, I'm going to give you the ingredients for a pie as we go along. But the first thing we're going to do, we got 4 eggs, room temperature. We're going to beat them up real good. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to beat these until they get good and fluffy. And probably take about 3 to 5 minutes of beating them. So we'll bring you back when we get our eggs beat up. Okay, we beat our eggs for about 3 minutes, and you can see what they look like there now. How they're fluffy like that and stuff. That's the way we want our eggs. That's what's going to give us that custard. All right. So then we got 1 cup of sugar we're going to put in, and we're going to mix it in. 1 cup of sugar. Then we're going to have, see how those eggs are there now? That's the way you got to get your eggs to. That's the point we want to get our eggs to. Let me get the rest of these ingredients over here so that y'all can see what we're doing here. And we can go on with this and get it ready. Okay, so what we got now, we got 2 tablespoons of flour we're going to put in. And we're going to mix it in. Just put it in a little bit at a time. All right, and then on this saucer we got 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of allspice. We're going to put those in. And we also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to put it in. All right, we got 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. Gonna put it in. And then we got 1 cup of whole milk. I want to brush down the sides of my bowl just to be sure that I don't have any of that mixed up on the side there. We want to be sure we get it all mixed up real good. Man, this smells so good. Makes me want to eat it just like it is. Tell that's going to be a good custard. See how that is thick there? All right, we're going to mix it up just a little bit more here now. Okay. Set them over here. Get that drained and get them out of there. We're done with them. I'm going to throw them over here in the sink. We got a 9-inch deep dish pie shell here. It's been pre-baked for about 5 minutes. And we're just going to pour custard over in it and try not to make a mess here. Now this needs to cook for about 50 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'm going to see how much of this I can get in here. May have to get another pie and do a little one. You want to get it good and full though. Oh yeah. There we go. Now, what we want to do, we want to let it just sit here for about 3 or 4 minutes and settle down. It'll sit there and it'll settle down a little bit. And that's when we feel it's so full, because it's going to go down just a little bit, just sitting there. We want to let it sit 2 or 3 minutes. Then we're going to put it in the oven, bake it for 50 minutes. We'll start checking it at about 40 minutes, 350 degrees. And when it gets firm and browned on the top good, then we'll take it out, let it cool down real good. Once we get it out of the oven and it cooled down good, we'll bring it back and we're going to cut into it and do a taste test. Okay, we got our pie out and we've let it cool down. It's still warm on the bottom. We had it setting up on the rack cooling, so it's cooled down. I believe it's cool enough. We can cut us a piece and eat it. We're gonna try to cut us a piece and taste it here. See what it tastes like. You can see it's good and brown. We got it. Oh man, she's gonna be good. I can tell already. I'm just hoping that she don't fall apart on us when we try to take it out of there. Man, she's gonna be good though. I can't wait to taste this. See, can I get under it there? This first piece is always the hardest to get out. I may break it all to pieces trying to get it out of here. Let's see, can I get it up? She gonna come up there. Well, just that end trying to fall off, but you can see what it is. Look at that's layers on it. See the layers? Let's see, can we taste it and see what it tastes like? Man, that looks good. Y'all may have to just let me sit and eat this piece of pie before I get back to you. Man, that is good. Just like I remember Mama used to fix them. Hey, if you would, y'all give the video a thumbs up. Try this recipe. Like, share, comment. Let us know what you think about the egg custard pie. Appreciate all of you that take time out of your day to watch our videos. Thank all of you that take the time to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it greatly. Y'all, we're gonna eat this pie up. Man, it's good. We'll see y'all on the next one.